Yes, in 2024 by AI or with AI, I made over 1 million profit. In 2024, I started with 200,000. Let me show you the chart with few things made by AI. I decide to risk 30k in November about this election on a winning Trump, and I win. That was one of the best trade by day. And no, I wasn't trading every day. Every single trade was made with assistance by AI. One of the best decisions I made. Hi everyone, it's been a minute, but it's time for an update. What's been going on, what we've accomplished, and what the results look like. I know a lot of people still buzzing about the ICT concept. This new ultimate pro setups pop up all the time, and everyone's debating rules, different session hours, and people keep reinventing stuff that's been around for I think 15 maybe 18 years, but I will dive into that in another video soon. What to do actually with all that ICT noise, smart money concept noise, because it's interesting. But today though, I want to talk about something way more important that a lot of traders are missing: how to implement and use AI in your trading process, because I think it's a total game changer. But let me be clear, it's not like you can say, hey AI, make me 200k, okay, and send me to my bank account. No, not that way. It doesn't work that way. To be honest, as soon as AI really started taking off, I decide I would stay on the top of its capabilities and build my skill around it, and that turned out to be one of the best decisions I made, because in 2024 I traded solely based on what AI was telling me, and you're gonna see the results. So does that mean I made killing, or does it mean none of this matters? Curious? Let's jump in. So guys, first off, just check Discord server. I've got my sections like Pablo's trades, day trading, team trading, etc. So just check day trading and you can find here all my trades, okay? Entry, position, before trade, after trade, results, what was the plan, how I managed the trade, full information. All of them was presented during the live trading session, so you can just check it. In 2024 I started with 200,000, okay, 200k, and I risked about 1%, few times or many times, to be clear, maybe 2.5% per trade. To be clear, for your information, I opened most of my position right before the London session kick it off. Why? Because AI analysis told me that was the the sweet spot. So that's why. Okay, and no, I wasn't trading every day, every single day. I'm gonna show you like this. That's the view. Let me check the dates. 2024. Yeah, that's right, that's correct. We got the view by year, month and day. So we got the performance by month, like January. Just I'm gonna click, you can see I wasn't trading every day. I'm far from it. Okay, other things just kept me busy, just implementing AI, developing my own profitable trader program, running the live trading camp event, hosting AI for trader conference. All of that took time, but would I change any of it? Absolutely not. I'm thrilled with the results versus the time I put in. But check, we got the results month by month, and mine was my best one in 2024, 149k in 1 month. But just check my activity day by day. It wasn't my the most active month. Okay, so that's how it was. June, that was great month, just few trades, few days, and that's all. August, just so you can check, September, and it was the moment when I just thought that we're gonna move into election time. It was Trump versus Biden, and I just thinking, should I trade during this events, this election in October? You can just see just 4 days when I was trading. That's how it's going. But I decided to risk 30k in November about this election. I just put this cash, this money on a winning Trump, and I win over 100k. That was one of the best trade by day. Thinking about the best day in 2024, it was my best day. And I just thinking, okay, it's over. I'm just not going back to charts. I won't decide about more trades. It's enough. But then I realized that I'm so close to 1 million. Okay, 1 million profit in dollars. So in December, I just decide to fight for 1 million, and this is my activity in December. Yeah, I just fight for the result, and let's check in details. 1,054,000. Okay, that's the full result of 2024. Every single trade was made with assistance by AI. Okay, that was happened. As you can see, I didn't do many trades. It's only 130 trades. That's the number of winning trades. That's the number of the losing trades. It's looked very, very well. That's my opinion. Okay. About the instruments, as you can see, most of the trades I made on the gold. So to summarize it, yes, in 2024 by AI or with AI, I made over 1 million profit, over $1 million. Let me show you the chart with few things made by AI. You can just see how it's gonna look like. And in the next video, I will break down exactly what setups I used, stuff that's still working great today. So make sure you follow, you subscribe. There's a lot of evolving around AI, and I'm going to show you all the little tweaks and insights that will change how you read the charts and how you work with price action, how this all kind of moves working. It's all coming up. So thanks for sticking around, and I will see you in the next one. See you guys.